Hello everyone, welcome back, welcome if you're new to the channel. I've been working on these there's one over there, and I'll show you in a minute, two big 1 meter by 1 meter square canvases. This is where I am at the minute. I'm not sure where I left it if you've been watching, because I know I've worked on them off camera. I've just added this not long ago. I've been doing paperwork and I've got to paint, and I just fancied doing that. Added a little bit of charcoal here and there. Last night I woke up and thought, I was thinking purple, so I'm thinking maybe some very pale purple lilac, and I need to do some glazes over the two as well. And the other one seems more finished, I'll show you in a minute. So, what am I going to do? I don't like that. I'm not liking that bit, so I'm going to cover that up. Maybe I'm going to try and mix up this grey, light purpley colour. So I've mixed up this very pale grey purple. I'm going to cover this because I don't like it. Just got this scrapey tool. Just kind of plastering it on. I've been using lots of tools, different tools, DIY tools in this, so literally been plastering paint on. Every morning when I wake up and open my shutters, I've got the river just outside, and it's been really hazy lately, so I want to get that that feeling, that hazy feeling into this painting. I think I need to this is becoming the kind of the river scene. Misty hazy. If I can achieve that, I'll be very happy. Sometimes I wake up and you can't even see over the other side of the river. Maybe, I don't know, maybe this feels to me very nearly finished, so I don't want to go too mad, but sometimes it's when you go a bit mad that things just happen. Like I said, I've been doing paperwork, it's getting really frustrated, and I just needed to paint, so that's why I'm feeling a bit frantic and lively. Maybe it's just what it needs. Wasn't too keen on this big part either, but I don't want to completely lose it, so stand back and have a look. Yeah, it's feeling a bit like how I'm feeling. I think what I need to do is really nice when I'm bringing these colours back underneath. Actually peeling paint off from previous layers. So let's go, I'm going to add a little bit more black in this to get more of that hazy feel. Maybe not even black, maybe blue. Or maybe a darker purple. Maybe I'd make her try this. see. I feel like going big. Got this decorator's tool again. Well, a little crazy 5 minutes. I'm going to show you what I did on the other one, because I think that's advanced as well. So let me know what you think. I feel like I've got this, like I've got a timer on myself. I want to just go mad and get it done. Oops. Oh, I've got a magic crystal up here. I just knocked it, it's gone swirling everywhere. It's on my energy. Just smooth this out of the way. So this one, and I do apologise because when I look into the camera, the light is not, the paint is looking darker than what they are. So I'll try and get a good photo after with some good light on. Yeah, this one, the mountains did come out, so you can see these little mountain shapes and kind of this stormy feeling again. I think I added this kind of pattern here, kind of representing, because I've been out in the forest with the trees and the leaves falling and everything, so that's kind of coming out. And the weather, the feeling of being this, I don't know, this kind of change of season. I'm quite liking that one. I need to, what I usually do when I get to kind of this stage, which I'm going to do, I'm going to take this downstairs and put it in my bedroom and on an easel. I've got an easel, and I will just wake up and look at it, and before I go to bed look at it and see if it, you know, gives me some messages in the night, see if it wakes me up again in the middle of the night saying purple, purple. But I'm quite pleased with that one. Get a good picture of that one as well. Don't think I'm going to do much to that one. I did add some copper leaf, some more copper leaf as well. Quite pleased. Should I add a little bit of this pale purple? Why not, while I've got it out? What did I use? A scrapey tool. What have I done with it? Got that one. There it is. I haven't got much paint left on it actually, so I'll be putting that much on. I'm running out of paint. Yeah, I'm not going to do much to that one. I'm going to leave it, take it downstairs, live with it a little bit. I mean, I've been working on these for quite a while now, on and off, on and off. And, well, if you've been watching, you'll have seen all the processes. This is a quick video. I've been making them shorter lately, so hopefully you've been enjoying those. And well, let me know what you think, because they're both nearly finished, and well, it's just nice to get some feedback. So yeah, and I'll take some good photos at the end with some good light, because my other light is just so noisy when I switch it on that I'm trying to use these ring lights and it's not giving the right colour, so I'll take some photos. Okay, well, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one, maybe starting something new at last, or continuing with some of the smalls. So see you soon. Thanks for watching, subscribing, and see you. Bye. Au revoir.